What's up, guys? Thanks for joining us. This is Steve from Cart Breaking L getting ready for release day. It is Premier Upper Deck Premier release day 21-22. Just finishing off the last couple of products of 21-22 season. Thank God. It is Premier. This is a 10-box case you're looking at. We're doing 5 of it. The other side of this case will be our random break later tonight. Okay, so let's do it up. Here's your teams for the break. You'll notice a very important team missing Montreal. We're giving away Montreal now here in a minute. Bob, Anaheim, Paul, Arizona, Colin, Boston, Nick, Buffalo, Colby, Calgary, Alex, Carolina, Aaron, Chicago, Paul, Colorado, Chris, Columbus, Andrew is Dallas, Dave, Detroit, Randy, Edmonton, Jeremy, Florida, Liam, Vegas, Corey, LA, Kevin is Minnesota, Dustin, Nashville, Steve, New Jersey, Alex, Islanders, Martin, Rangers, Jeremy, Ottawa, Jack, Philly, David, Pittsburgh, Braden, San Jose, Tyler, Seattle, Dave, St. Louis, Mark, Tampa Bay, Joey, Toronto, Jason, Vancouver, Christopher is Winnipeg, and Christopher is Washington, and Cole is Winnipeg. There you go. Feel free to get your one-on-one guesses in the comments. We find a one-on-one, which is very, very possible with a high-end product like this. As always possible, no matter the product, but get your guesses in. We find it. You guess it, $100 in your pocket. Let's go over and give away Montreal. Here's your random.org. And top team after the 4th random is going to take home Montreal. The only team not in there is Montreal, of course. Everybody got an equal shot. Good luck, folks. Here we go. 1, 31 teams, 2, 3, and lucky number 4 coming at you for the early bird break. Montreal is going to Carolina. Nice, Alex Barney. On top of the list after 4, congrats. Done. All right, Alex, Montreal is yours, and we're getting started. Just ripping open some top loaders here. 1 sec. Goal horn check. Oh, yeah, we're ready. Some more breaks of this coming tonight. We got 2 posted and full. Actually, 1 full and 1 got 3 teams left. And then we're going to be posting at least another 1, maybe 2. See how it goes. Premier is always a hobby favorite. You get the quality, close to the quality of the cup, for a lot less of a price. All right, here's your 10 box. So we're going to be doing the right or the left side here off the dice roll. Oops. 1, 2, 3 left side, 4, 5, 6 right side. Here we go. We got 6, 4, 5, 6 it is. So the right side is coming into play. All right, they're there. That was an adventure. These are going to be the 5 for the random. Random break. We'll start the night of breaks. We got a few breaks tonight that'll start tonight's breaks. All right, here we go. Lots of this stuff to go around. Yep, I agree, Nick, 100%. I agree 100%. They're the best bang for your buck. I know it's tough to say when a product's just over $300, but I mean, just over $300 for Premier is not too bad if you ask me. Premier doesn't belong jumping up in price to $500 right fast. Yeah, Premier's always been nice since 2014, since they came out with it. It was Draisaitl's rookie year. After that, it's all been bangers every year. And I love the mega patches too. The mega patches in this product is really nice. All right, enjoy, folks. We're going to stack them like usual. All right, we'll start a new stack. That's high enough for me. This is the first of many breaks of Premier tonight. This is the only one today, but a few tonight. Starting us off, we got Anthony Beauvillier, $2.99. I always got to apologize for the glare off the windows in the daytime breaks. Can't help it. It's like a fishbowl here in the stores. So many windows. Beauvillier, $2.99, and we got Alexander Holtz, $3.99. Rookie, New Jersey. Patch auto, first one, very nice. Whew, man, we got some nice cards coming up here already. Check this one out, 248, 249, Buffalo Sabres. That's Uka. Patch auto rookie. Nice card. 2-color patch auto. Buffalo, I believe, was Nick. Yes, sir. First hit, first auto with a break on to Nick. We got a nice card coming up here, too. Premier rookie auto jersey, number to 25. This should be a nice one, too. Number to 25, Quentin Byfield, rookie patch auto to 25, LA Kings. LA's Corey. The boys trading hits back and forth. After that, we got New Jersey Devils, Dawson Mercer, Premier Collection rookie jersey. Boys got together, had a pep talk this morning. It was like, we are not going hitless here today. Not happening. Give me a sec. Gotta go open some more top loaders. Yeah, like I said, you'll see another break posted of this stuff for sure, case, and you might see it. You will see a mixture posted with a box of Premier in it, just to bring the price down. I know the prices aren't too bad on it, but we can bring it down with a mixer. Get everybody involved. Adam Fox, New York Rangers. Jersey card, Boone Jenner. I think this starts the second box, if I'm not mistaken. And Mo Sider, 27, $3.99, Detroit Red Wings. That was a good first box, if you ask me, the Uka Patch Auto and the Quentin Byfield. Plus, you can't go wrong with the Dawson Mercer jersey. Ooh, that's pretty, man. Love that set. That's my new favorite set in Premier, and it just came out this year. Denny Senko, Premier rookie. Love this set. Check it out. Patch Auto, man. You hit this set for the right name, you'll be laughing. Adam Beckman, Star Systems. That's one of those prettier designs Upper Deck's come out with in a long time. I got to say that. Very nice. That's a beautiful card. Gold ink autograph. Got the acetate. Patches are nice. All around fan of this new set. Adam Beckman, Minnesota. Nice hit. Minnesota was Kevin, I believe, was it? Yes, sir. Nice hit, Kev. All right, up next. Woo, baby. Check this out, boys. We got 3 of 35. Boom! Caufield. Super rookie autograph. Damn. What a start to this one. Hell yeah. 3 of 35. Very nice. Let me grab a one touch for that one. I had a couple 181 touches sitting here, but I wasn't prepared for the thin one. man. That's the name you want to see. That's Alex. How about getting Carolina? How about picking up Carolina in a release day break and hitting a rookie Caufield? Don't make sense when you say it out loud, but nice card, man. Very nice. That's a hell of a 2 boxes to start with, if you ask me. Caufield, Uka, that beautiful star patch auto, and then Caufield out of nowhere. We got Nuge and Draisaitl. Looking forward to breaking some more of this stuff tonight for sure. Definitely going to crack a box of myself later. Number 99, Oilers. And we got New Hook, Colorado Avalanche. Premier rookie. Third box. This starts the third box. Man, oh man, these cards are pretty. Even if you're missing some of the big names, you can appreciate the niceness of the cards. Mary Lemieux, number 99, and 399, 10 and out. Patch auto, pretty. 14 of 15. On card, rookie patch auto, Simon Benoit. The Ducks, says Bob, with Anaheim. Nice looking cards all around. Man, oh man. I'm a fan. Didn't know I could love Premier any more than I already did, but I do. Nico Dawes, 92 and 99. Devils, beautiful here. 22 of 25. We got a patch. We got a rookie Premier gear, 22 of 25. Check out those patches. Spencer Knight. Let's start Florida. Who got Florida? Florida, Jeremy. My word. Spencer Knight. Quad. I was going to say quad patch, not even quad patches. Premier Gear rookie. Sick card. And last but not least here in this box, 2 boxes left, we got Boston Bruins, Charlie Coyle. Jersey card. Any feedback that would be appreciated, let me know in the comments. Would you guys rather see another pick your team break? Would you rather see another random break? Would you rather see maybe, I think I'm going to save the draft until the weekend. Draft, I need a little bit of time to get it all ready and stuff, but it'll either be random or pick your team tonight. Let me know. Casey Middlestat, number 65. Number 249. Damn, that's pretty too. Vegas, Merle Manoff, 11 to 249. 11 to 249. He gave you a little smiley face. Yeah, I decided to give away Montreal in the first one, just to make sure it filled up fast. It did. Snap filled. Vegas. I was looking for a numbering on this one. Looks like it should be numbered, but I don't see a numbering. Hold on now. Scanning. Nope. Nice card though. New York Rangers, Lafreniere. On card auto. Rangers is Martin. Still scanning for a numbering, but no numbering on the red, I guess. Beauty patch for the Yotes. 3 colors off that old school jersey. Or that retro Giannis Moser. 14 of 49. Cool color on the patch you don't normally see. What we got left? A bit of box and a half, box and a bit. Rasmus Kupari, LA Kings. Another pick your team, hey? All right, yeah, pick your team works for me. Tolvanen, $2.99 and $3.99. Uka again. Yeah, we'll do just a straight pick your team this next time. No giveaways, no display case giveaways, no Montreal giveaways, no nothing. Just your team, that's it, straight up. Oh my word. Man, that mega patch. Woo! We got an unreal mega patch coming up. Unique. Unique to say the least. 29 of 249. Right team, wrong rookie, but we'll take it anyway. That's a nice looking card. Not 100% sure, Martin, but if you commented on the post for tag, I'll get you tagged. Not sure what my schedule looks like right now, but I would say the next break will probably be posted sometime between 3 and 4 o'clock. Just a guess. Don't hold me to it. All right, boys, we're gonna try to hide this mega patch for a second. Whoo, that is nasty. I like it. Zach Jones. Premier rookie. Montreal jersey. I'm gonna pop this early bird break up on YouTube as always. Everybody likes to get a good look at the product. Maybe watch a video before you buy it or before you jump into a break. So this one's going up on YouTube. Number 99, Cole Lind. And check out this mega patch. Not the biggest name, but holy moly. That's nasty. First one made of 3. There's only 3. It's the first one made of 3. Great way to end the break. Solid break all around. Great case. And check out the ending. 1 of 3. Mega patch. Seattle Kraken. Nice. Glad to see Seattle getting some love and getting some nice cards out there. Hell yeah. Seattle. Not sure who got Seattle, but I think it was Jeremy, was it? No, it was Tyler. Tyler, nice card, man. Premier Mega Patch. I'm going to put this in the top loader, but I'm going to get it in a one touch before you get it. It'll be in a one touch. Very nice. That is it, folks. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Really looks good. Gotta say, always a fan of Premier, but this stuff looking extra nice. We'll see you for some breaks later today. We're gonna have more breaks posted. There's two breaks for the night full. There's one more case being posted for sure, and maybe a mixer and something else. I was even thinking about posting the baseball break for the Jays game, so you might see that too, guys. Thanks again, Simon Benoit. It was Bob Simon Benoit. See if I can find it for you right quick. Yep, right here. Simon Benoit. So I Quentin Byfield, Uka, Star Patch Auto, and Cole Caufield. Apologize again for all the glare, guys. That's it. We'll chat with you later. Enjoy your day. Don't forget, go big or go home. Peace.